Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. TS Galaxy have parted ways with head coach Adnan Beganovic and also technical director Nermin Basic, just 2 games away from the Nedbank Cup final. The decision comes after a meeting took place between the club president Tim Sukazi and the duo on Monday, where it was decided that a mutual separation will take place after a run of only 1 draw and 9 defeats in their last 10 games. Here is a statement from the club. It says TS Galaxy has parted ways with coach Adnan Beganovic and his technical advisor Nermin Basic following a string of unfortunate results in the Betway Premiership. The club chairman, Tim Sukazi, added, "It is quite unfortunate that we had to come at this decision to part ways with coaches Adnan and Nermin, following the unfortunate string of results in the Betway Premiership. They both made a huge contribution to our club in a very short period. We thank both coaches for their professionalism, commitment, hard work, and wish them well in their future endeavors." That's the statement from TS Galaxy chairman Tim Sukazi. Within their slide down the table, where they were initially looking to push for a top 4 finish after an excellent first half of the season, they have also reached the domestic cup final where they will be facing Durban City on the 2nd of May at Peter Mokaba Stadium. This could qualify them for the CAF Confederations Cup, but sources have confirmed that the club feels a new energy is needed to end the campaign strongly. Galaxy will host Magesi this weekend before they turn their attention to the final in Polokwane, with Bernard Parker taking over the coaching duties in an interim capacity. Now, let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of this move by TS Galaxy to part ways with their head coach and also the technical director? Is it a good move or not? And also appointing Bernard Parker as an interim coach, is it a good move? He has been at TS Galaxy for a couple of years now in various coaching roles at the team. Remember, even Adnan Beganovic was an assistant to Siad Ramovic, who left TS Galaxy, and Adnan was promoted to be the head coach, and he did very well during his time as the head coach of TS Galaxy. That's the end of the news for today. See you next time.